Welcome back to your destination for powerful machines that are on a whole new level. We're here to offer you insights into the world's most powerful machines. If you're in search of modern agricultural machinery, you've come to the right place. Get ready for an exciting journey into their ingenuity. It certainly would take forever to harvest this much onions by hand, let alone count how many there are. That's why machines have become indispensable to farmers, given mechanical progresses in recent years. It's pomegranate harvest season, and these red fruits are waiting to be picked and processed. These robotic system will make sure our delicious fruits get a good clean before they packed for delivery. Ripe pumpkins scattered on the ground are gathered into a straight row thanks to this machine. Then, another machine goes through those rows of pumpkins, picking them up and crushing them one by one to get the seeds using its unique design. Machines prove greatly useful to people in transporting newly harvested apricots to the processing factory without any damage. To speed up productivity, advances in technology and techniques such as this peach peeler have been put into use. Four rows of lettuce are pulled up and put on the conveyor belt running behind the cockpit at an incredible speed before they are put into the crates. This machine sucks in what looks like scattered hay on the ground and voila! A downpour of red kidney beans appears. This cabbage harvester is suitable for double boxes. They are placed on individually tilting platforms. The clamping belt speed goes synchronously with the driving speed. This system has an amazing multi-operational capacity. It can wash, box, and load celery onto pallets directly in the field, speeding up the process from harvest to store shelves. You're witnessing an ASA lift trailer harvester doing its job in the breeze. This model is built with tracks to overcome tough conditions. Harvesting fruits in the middle of a city sounds tricky, but it's no biggie for this orange shaker. Only seconds after this harvester started running, hundreds of tomatoes rolled onto its belt, remarkably reducing the time it would have taken manually. Root Vegetable Harvester Alina Eco 2 is the perfect solution for picking vegetables from small areas, such as for Fresh Market. This machine, developed in Kyoto, Japan, automatically identifies and harvests flower buds that meet harvest standards. Efficiency is estimated to be 4 times that of manual work. Cotton harvesting on this enormous scale has been made possible all thanks to great progress in technological development. Coconuts are among the fruits with the hardest outer layers to peel, but nothing can challenge the human's mind and the technology that they apply. This system collects eggs like it's some kind of game at the arcade. Agricultural scientists have invented such an innovative system of milking tens of goats at a time without hurting them. This bale stacker has such intelligent and flexible hands to pick up the bale and throw it onto the capacity space over its head. This sugar beet harvester can deal with an impressive number of 12 rows of vegetables at a time, helping farmers to maximize productivity. This system of automation and robotics in Dutch pot plant and bedding plant nurseries hints at how revolutionary technology will be. The way the tractor controls the roller makes this combo look like a giant yo-yo. This orchard sprayer is an air blast sprayer equipped with axial fans to ensure maximum coverage in tree crops. Advanced potato planters are prime assistants on the field, able to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, such as ditching, fertilizing, sowing, ridging. This maize harvester can clear the whole field as cleanly as using a cloth to wipe the dinner table. Instead of having giant cherry shakers that would not fit into this small orchard, farmers can use this handheld shaker and it still does its job really well. This celery harvester has rolling blades to make sure when the vegetable gets to human hands, it's already clear of roots. Chicory has roots of nearly the same length as the bulbs. Automated rotary cutters help workers cut these roots evenly and consistently. The persimmons are sorted into bins based on their sizes after they go through a pretty unique sorting machine. Advances in engineering and technology have transformed the landscape of tea farming, from labor-intensive hand-plucking harvesting to a machine that does so in minutes. This mini-sized tractor, attached with an interesting structure of tines, makes sure the flowers on the trees don't bloom too closely to each other to guarantee fruit quality. And cutting-edge robots have been tested to aid farmers in picking those red, plump apples. Human skills, combined with electric clipper, can help the sheep get sheared of its heavy fur coat. This Chisholm Rider green bean picker is so well designed that the beans are properly picked and transported without damage while maintaining high efficiency. The two sweepers and the pickup heads on this machine help it to collect macadamia nuts while managing to avoid debris. This state-of-the-art technological device successfully identifies weeds and shots herbicides at their spots without harming the surrounding vegetables. Ortomex's new paper seed machine combines speed and practicality by integrating a double-layer mulching system with a seeder, allows for maximum efficiency in a single pass. The harvesting units combined with the collecting bins and conveyor belts help farmers assure that they only need to drive the vehicle through the orchard to get those prunes collected. The automatic roller with multiple tines attached helps manure to be scrapped for later feeding. This wood chipper works like a blender. The only difference is that, instead of fruits, it crushes massive logs into pieces. Deep snow can be quite a problem to deal with during winter. Luckily, we have powerful snow blowers to get rid of the snow on our road. This ditch cleaner is painting the whole field black with the materials it sucks from cleaning the nearby ditch. Though humble in size, this compact, round baler still carries out its job well on small-scale farms. This smart design allows bamboo logs to be sliced into 10 even sticks in the blink of an eye. Small and easy to manage, this spinach harvester is suitable for small garden, still helping to cut down the time needed to pull up all the vegetables. This side cultivator has an interesting design that allows for easy control in less accessible soil in the vineyard, ensuring weed removal and airier soil. Not just cutting the parsley on the ground, this machine also places the vegetables into neat lines, making it more convenient for collecting. Looking like a self-balancing scooter, this is actually a robot that works as a plant monitor in small garden. Worried that it may take too much time to pull up all the onions? No need to, cause this machine can dig up all the hidden onions in no time with its non-stop rolling blade. A helpful tool to trim and pluck the leaves on sugar canes. Each one comes out of the machine like a javelin. This little harvester can turn rows of standing spring onions into greens lying on the ground like they're queuing. This horizontal or vertical cutter has individually adjustable side cutting units, allowing for automatic use and adjustment while in action. I can't imagine how much time it'd take humans to fill up such a large space of silage without the help from machinery. Thanks a lot for joining us on this journey into technological progress in agriculture today. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts on the most impressive machines you found in this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.